Hi, Jojo. It's Mom. Yes, hello. I came to read you a book. Do you want me to read you a book? I came to read you a book. Yeah, guess what? I'm going to click and I'm going to read you a book about a really cute dog. Yes. Look, there he is. That little dog's name is Jingle. Yes. And Jingle, he is in the very cold snow, and his feet are cold. Yes, it snowed, and it says his feet are cold. And off he goes. He's gonna follow that squirrel. And guess what? The sign says no dogs. No, no, no. But he's going. And when he gets there, he sees a house. Yes. And at that big house, it's a school. And there's kids inside. And out they came to play with sweet little Jingle. And when he was out there, the kids patted him. They pet him on his head, they scratched his ears, and they said, "Oh, Jingle, you are such a good dog. Yes, you are, Jingle. Yes, you are, Jingle." He liked to bark. And the kid started to sing, so he wanted to join him. So he went, "Arr, arr, arr," so he could sing. But what he really liked, he saw them get on the school bus. Oh, he wanted to ride the school bus. But the kid said, "Bye, Jingle. I have to go home." Jingle wanted to get a ride on the school bus. So instead, he chased the bus and he got to the door. And when he got to the door, Jennifer answered the door. And she said, "Silly dog, you silly, silly dog. You'll have to go home." But look what Jingle saw. He saw the Christmas tree. And he knew with the Christmas tree there would be presents. Oh my goodness. So he went back to the school. But guess what? It was closed for the holidays. Oh, so he was sad. So he decided he was going to go look for his friends. So here he is. He's looking. Look at his little footprints. They're on the snow. And then it started snowing. Oh my goodness. Well, he found a toy store. And inside the toy store was a baby doll and a rocket and a boat and a teddy bear and a book and a ball and all that Jingle. He wanted to have some presents, but he didn't find any. So he went and he found a nice comfy blanket and he decided to go night-night. Oh, he's going night-night. Yeah, he is. Well, guess what? When he was there, somebody came and saw him. Who is this? Ho Ho. Ho Ho picked him up. And he says, "Ho, ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 ho. Oh, I have a place that Jingle you're going to want to go to." Oh my goodness. So he took Jingle back to the house that had the Christmas tree. And what did he see under the Christmas tree? He saw presents. Oh, Jingle got so excited. He jumped up and down, up and down, up and down. He said, "There's presents." Well, his friend told him, "You come climb in my bed and you snuggle tight with me." And so Jingle and his friend went so they went night-night together. Merry Christmas, Jingle. Yeah. Did you like that book about Jingle the dog? He had a good Christmas, didn't he? Yeah. Jojo's going to have Christmas and he's going to see Ho Ho. And you're going to get presents. And you're going to get hugs and kisses from Mama. You're going to get lots of kisses from Mama. Yes. And maybe you'll get a toy dog that goes. I don't know. We'll have to see what Santa brings Jojo. Yes. All right. I'm going to say bye. You be a good boy for Dad and Miss Ashley. Bye-bye.